work really hard to please everyone, and we just received some fantastic feedback from a happy reviewer telling us what a great job we did, and now we're happy to share it with you. As you can see, we not only take the time to meet everyone's needs, we go the extra distance because we really do care, and it's great to see that we're making a huge difference every day. As much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from past visitors, we also love earning 5-star reviews from new people. We want to earn one from you. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.